So I'm taking all the shamrocks off, and I'm seeing babies. So we got a baby here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull him off gently, and he's rooted in. There you go. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the leaves off. Oh, I just dropped you. Sorry about that, buddy. There you go. And then on this side, we get another one. Oh, this is a good size. Wowee. Oh, this is a good bulb. Wowee. I wasn't expecting that. Look at that one. I was expecting it to be like a little half size, but it's almost a full-size bulb, and it was growing in this big hole underneath. Isn't that something? Look at that. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna go cut these roots. Awesome. And I'm gonna cut the stems. What is that? A rock? Yeah. All right. Look at that. That's impressive. I was expecting it just to be like this little piece here and be flat with roots, but then to have the whole bulb, it was like hiding under there. That's neat. Okay, get another little baby here. Pull this one out. That's the little one. Those roots are kind of rotten. Get rid of those. Yeah, you're going to feel so much better getting all this stuff off you. Get you back in a pot where you're comfortable. There's a lot of root there. So I'm going to cut some of those. I'm going to go ahead and take the leaves off. Again, cutting the leaves right about now in December. Hopefully that will it'll stimulate it to put out its bloom spike, or it'll put out more leaves. All right. So I will get these potted up. And I think I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now because I'm not sure how much battery I have left on my iPad. But I want to just closing out, let everyone know, again, my name is Carrie from wildflowerartbycarrie.com, and I grow all my own annuals and perennials, and I harvest, dry them, and use them in my framed artwork and shadow boxes. I've been posting a lot of little clips lately to kind of show you what I have. I make resin pendants with dried flowers, and then I have little dried flower candle holders, and then also all my photography I use for canvas prints, coffee mugs, puzzles, t-shirts, tote bags. So there's all kinds of neat little gift items you can find at my e-commerce store, wildflowerartbycarrie.com, and the link is in the bio, or you can just go there directly. And I want to thank you all for joining me today. Thank you for the conversation and questions, and thank you for the likes and gifts and follows. I really do appreciate it, and I'll do another one of these lives soon, and we'll pick something else to talk about and something to do whenever I'm puttering down here, so you all can see what's going on. And I want to show you real quick before I sign off. One of my bougainvilleas, it wasn't blooming a month ago, and now it's starting to. So this is one of my bougainvillea bonsais. And so now that it's been in the greenhouse, it's had a feed, it's starting to put out its beautiful pink blooms. Pink bracts is what they call those. So I'm going to end with that, show you all that. But in the meantime, you all take care, talk soon, and bye for now.